Okay, give me that smile. You're enjoying yourself, remember, Laura?
I love it.
Girls on the helm.
Girls on the helm. That's quite good. Fausto, high over the forehead, drone. Wide angle, high over
It's not distracting at all. Not distracting at all.
Breathe the fear. I'll let you know that.
Yeah, slow push it.
Stop smiling.
Hair in the eye.
Stop smiling. Stop enjoying it.
You're enjoying this, Laura. You're enjoying it.
I'm glad I got my rest last night, let's put it that way.
I want to see a kid. I want to see
Hit them in circles.
with a splash of trepidation.
Not at all.
A thing of fear. In the left eye. Come on, this is method acting. Happy face, sad eye.
And the director is now in shot.
Happy face, sad eyes, guys.
They're fast.
Zooming across. And as we pan into our scene, and now dolly across. The intrepid sailors smile away at the helm. They laugh in the face of Neptune. Ha! Is this all you can throw at us?
Stop it. Don't tempt him.
We can take more! Sorry, Johnny. The windows are closed, so they can't hear us now. The windows are
No
closed.
idea.
It's the best amusement park ever.
Dolly across. Boom down. Coming down from the mast. Boom down, pull out, push in, and roll around. And then camera pan right, dolly in, pull back,